Welcome to the critique of George Kelly. Most of Kelly's professional career was spent working with relatively normal, intelligent college students. He made no attempt to elucidate early childhood experiences or maturity in old age. To Kelly, people live solely in the present, with one eye always on the future. This view, though somewhat optimistic, fails to account for developmental and cultural influences on personality. So how does Kelly's theory rate on the 6 criteria of a useful theory? First, personal construct theory receives a moderate to strong rating on the amount of research it has generated. The rep test and the repertoire grid have generated a sizable number of studies, especially in Great Britain, although these instruments are used less frequently by psychologists in the United States. Despite the relative parsimony of Kelly's basic postulate and 11 supporting corollaries, the theory does not lend itself easily to either verification or falsification. Therefore, we rate personal construct theory low on falsifiability. This theory is rated low on its ability to organize knowledge about human behavior. Kelly's avoidance of the problems of motivation, developmental influences, and cultural forces limits his theory's ability to give specific meanings to much of what is currently known about the complexity of personality. We also rate the theory low as a guide to action. Kelly relied heavily on common sense in this therapeutic practice, and what worked for him might not work for someone else. Personal construct theory rates very high as internally consistent. However, this theory falls short for a set of operationally defined terms because Kelly did not define his terms operationally.